guys, I made it to the pond, and I can notice there's a lot of bluegills swimming around, so I might have to use a little bluegill swim bait. I noticed I've been seeing some bass this morning bust on them, and let's try to get some of them to bite, hopefully, on the bluegill swim bait. So, but today right now I'm starting off with the motor oil red flake 6-inch power bait. See if I can catch y'all in a minute. Well, I'm right here, so see if I can catch anything. Well, there's the pond right there, and the line's already in the water. Hey guys, I've been seeing a whole bunch of little bluegill and stuff. Bluegill and stuff doing dragonflies, and also bass eating dragonflies as they're flying over the pond. As you can see, all the dragonflies are flying around. See, there's one right there. It's just bass flying all around them. And they've been hanging on that mat, those brush over there. Let's see if I can't catch any of them on that line. Well guys, this is going to be my last cast at this spot. Hopefully I can catch them. Well guys, I guess I'm going to go to the other side. Let's see what I can do over here on this side. Anyways, right here is where I touched that snake. So I'll get back to y'all. Well guys, I'm to the other side. And it rained a whole bunch here in Arkansas. And look what it did to my boat. It flooded the whole thing. I saw it coming down here, but I didn't think it was all flooded like that. So I'm gonna see if I can catch anything in this one. Guys, on this side of the pond, I'm on the deepest side of the pond. I'm trying to get to where the fish are. I don't think they're on top of it. They weren't really this morning. But I think they're down the bottom since it's so hot right now, so that's what I'm fishing for. So really deep, I'm going out in the middle. See if I can't catch any out in the middle, and if I do, y'all see it. Now guys, I'm moving to another spot. I'm going to go to the other side of my pond, and it's right there. That's where I caught my first big fish out of this pond in 4 years, so I know there's big fish in here because I've been catching them like crazy now. Like this morning, both of the fish I caught were 2 1.5 to 2 pounders. It was cool. And hopefully I can catch some more of them, so I'll get back to y'all if I catch one, or if I move spots or something. Guys, I can see some little bluegill. I don't know if y'all be able to see them, but I can see them. They're swimming around right there. They're just little juveniles. They're very little, and that's probably what these bass are feeding on, so there they are right there. So anyways, guys, I just thought of something neat while I was out here. I was thinking about maybe y'all guys, the subscribers, I might give a giveaway in the next month or so. If y'all want me to do a giveaway, comment below and tell me what you want me to give away. Maybe I could hook up with Luz or something to get some Luz reels out to y'all or something like that. So comment that in the below, and I'll read y'all's comments and I'll do a giveaway. y'all can either do it on my Instagram page, it's GageBuck22, or you can do it on my Snapchat, it's GageBuck22 too. GageBuck22 also is mine. And y'all comment that in the thing, go follow me on there and comment if y'all want me to do that giveaway. So I'll get back to y'all. Hopefully either I catch a fish or something else happens. So see ya. Hey guys, I'm making my last cast right here, and hopefully I can maybe catch a fish. I'm reeling it in right now as I'm speaking with my next video, I think I'm gonna do a Lew's performance test. Comment if y'all want me to do that. Okay, there's my bait. I got it in. Worm has not succeeded, so right now, the way I'm going, I'm heading back to the spot I started. Maybe pull off a couple fish, hopefully, because it's my best spot, and catch it all if I catch anything or something. Well, guys, I'm done fishing that spot. It's really hot out here. I'm dripping with sweat. Sweat beads are all over me. Oh, it's so hot out here. I'm not even hardly doing anything. I'm just casting and stuff. But I know it's really hot. It feels like freaking 130 degrees. Even though it's not, but it's so hot. I'm just dripping with sweat. If you can see all that sweat right there. God, it's so hot. I'm gonna have to go get a water bottle in a little bit before I get dehydrated. So I'm gonna switch up baits. I think I'm gonna go with a crankbait. So catch you on a minute. Well, guys, I switched up to the shad pattern Boyd Dunkett series crankbait. It's a hollow body. It's kind of like a frog almost, and really good detail to it. I'm using it on my Berkley Lightning Shock rod. If y'all can see that, 7-foot medium heavy with a Lew's MCS Laser MG speed spool, and see if I can't catch any on it. So, bye. Guys, I just found the fattest tick on my leg. It was like so big. It wasn't one of those big old fat ones that you'd find. It was a regular little seed tick. But it was so huge. It must have been on like some big old deer or something. And they went over by this pond and he went off of them. And either way, that thing was so big. It was like one of those big old fat deer ticks, you know, but it was a regular little seed tick. And I don't know, but it hadn't got a bite on this crankbait yet, so maybe I will in a minute. So I'll catch you later.